Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to apply custom sorting in Power BI. This is incredibly useful when you want to organize your data in a specific order that makes more sense for your analysis, especially when working with dates or months that don't naturally sort the way you need them to. First, open your Power BI desktop application. Once you're in, take a look at the left side of your screen where you'll see several view options. Click on the table view icon. This view gives you a clear spreadsheet-like layout of your data, making it easier to work with columns and apply sorting rules. Now, let's say you want to apply custom sorting to a date column. This is a common scenario because dates often need to be sorted in a particular sequence that Power BI doesn't automatically recognize. To set this up, navigate to the top of the screen and click on New Column. This action creates a fresh column where you'll define your custom sorting logic. In the formula bar that appears, type month sort equals followed by month open parenthesis. What you're doing here is creating a formula that extracts the month number from your date column. Now you need to input your data source. In this example, it would be sheet 1 open square bracket date close square bracket, then close the formula with a closing parenthesis. This formula tells Power BI to pull the month value from your date column and store it in this new sorting column. After you've typed the complete formula, hit the Enter key. Power BI will process this and create your new month sort column. You'll notice an arrow appears beside that column, indicating that sorting options are now available. Click on that arrow and you'll see options to sort ascending or descending. Choose whichever order makes sense for your data. Ascending will sort from January to December, while descending does the opposite. Here comes the crucial part. Click on your original date column to select it. Then look at the top of the screen and click on Sort by Column. This feature allows you to tell Power BI which column should control the sorting behavior of another column. From the options that appear, click on Month Sort, and that's it. You've successfully applied custom sorting to your date column in Power BI. Your dates will now sort according to the month order you've defined, making your visualizations and reports much more intuitive and easier to interpret. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.